chapter name?
So after that, it's bank reconciliation statement, then trial balance and rectification of errors, then depreciation, provisions and reserves, then bill of exchange.
Okay, so it is bank reconciliation statement,
Yes, sir.
then trial balance rectification. Depreciation, provision, and reserve. After that, there is financial statement.
After that, it's last chapter, bill of exchange, depreciation after depreciation.
What about final account?
So final what?
Final account, financial statement.
So that chapter is not there.
That chapter you're not able to find.
No, sir.
What? How can be possible? Okay, actually, there is one more chapter, financial statement, final account, in which we have to discuss trading account, profit and loss, financial statement, balance sheet. So these topics are part of 11th, but it is not showing here. That's why I'm asking you.
So because in our textbook only these much chapters, only total 8 chapters are there.
But they are not including the financial statement. That's my question. Why it is not showing? Okay, after bank reconciliation, it is depreciation, provision, and reserve. And then it is accounting for bills of exchange, trial balance, and rectification of error. Yes, it is in part B, financial statement 2.
Oh.
There is a part B also in your book. There is 2 chapters in that. One is financial statement. The second is incomplete records. Okay. So we will start bank reconciliation statement then. Okay.
So, but then this recording of transactions too, we have it for exam.
Yes, we have completed that.
Sir, no, the petty cash book that we didn't finish.
Okay. We have not completed the cash book or purchase book, sales book,
Okay.
these type of.
We didn't start it.
Okay. Okay. So let's start that then. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
You cannot see my screen.
Sir, oh, you're not sharing anything.
No, I'm sharing. There is one note that I'm sharing.
Oh, yeah, the note I can see. I thought you were sharing some file.
No, no. The screen I'm sharing. I'm saying that you are like seeing my
Yeah,
screen or not.
that I can see. That I can see.
Okay. The next chapter is subsidiary book, or it is also called special purpose book.
Okay.
Now, first of all, I told you at the time of leisure that there are some problems in journal entry, which we try to correct through ledger and some other books. Okay. So what is that problem? Do you remember?
So I don't remember exactly.
I told you that there are some problem that we are not able to find any balance, or we will not able to calculate the total of any like account, purchase, sale, expenses. Okay. So that's why we prepare ledger. First of all, think about it. In journal, what we do?
So what in journal?
What we do? We record the transaction.
We record the transactions.
So we record the transaction category wise or just by the date.
record the transactions uh, in a order.
By the date and time. Yes.
Yes.
So when we record the transaction by date and time, then if let's say after completion of any year, let's say
Yeah.
there is total 500 transaction, total 500 transaction.
Okay.
And I'm talking about like 10, 15 years from now, before 10, 15 years, not now. Because nowadays we do everything in computer. So there is no page, no like notebook, no register maintained. Yes. Anything you want to find, you just search it on the home screen and you can easily find. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm not talking about today's time. Okay. I'm asking you like time 10, 15 years before. So at that time, everything is maintained in the notebook register. Okay. For every type of book, we maintain a special register. So for different books, we maintain separate registers. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's say these 500 transaction we have recorded. So on one page, generally we record 5 to 6 transactions. So let's say total 100 pages notebook or register we have. Total 100-page register we have. Okay. And we are recording the transaction in this register. Now, if you have to find like total purchase during the year, total purchase in a year, can you find it easily?
No, sir.
If we have to calculate total sales during the year, can you find it easily?
No.
If we have to like know the balance of any person, any amount payable or receivable from someone, can it be calculated very easily?
No, sir.
No. All of these information we cannot find easily, because if you have to find any information, you have to go through all the 100 pages, because you have not recorded purchase on a single page. You have not recorded all the expenses on a single page. So what you have done, you have recorded purchase like on, let's say it may be on first page, it may be on sixth page, it may be of 10th page, then 20th page. So you have to go through all the pages so that any purchase will not be missed. Yes.
Yeah, it's not in a proper order.
Yes. So it's not in proper order. There is no specific page that we have to write purchase it on. And so if we have to find total purchase during the year, we have to go through all the pages.
Yes.
So in the same manner, if we have to find any other information, again, we have to go through all the pages. So any amount, let's say, so Mohan, there is a person, Mohan, to with whom we are doing some transaction like selling goods, receiving money. So if we have to find out that how much money we have to receive from Mohan, we have to do the same thing in this case also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's why journal, uh, in journal, this is the main problem. Okay.
Okay.
Just one.
So the chapter name I'll write subsidiary books or recording of transactions too.
Just 1 minute. I'm sharing. Please write this. Definition of subsidiary book. First, the heading will be subsidiary book and then this definition.
Okay.
Tell me when it is complete.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Sir, no. Yes, sir, I finished.
So that's why we prepare like subdivision of this book. So where there is higher number of transactions, like many transactions are given. Okay. So in that case, if we have to find any error also, like is there any mistake, and we have to find it, then it is very difficult to find these errors because all the journals are written together. You don't know which page you have to find, which book you have to find, which like section you have to find. You don't know anything, so you have to go through all the pages again. So that's why
Yes,
journal is divided into 8 parts. Actually, in your syllabus, it is only 6, okay, but it is divided in 8 parts. So uh, one is
okay.
called cash book, one is called purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return, and proper journal. Okay, so total 6 book. Now, why we are preparing these books? Because we have to separate all the transactions. So now if there is any mistake related to purchase we have to find, we can easily find it in purchase book separately. We don't have to go through all the cash transaction. We don't have to go through all the sales transaction. We will
Yes,
only try to find the error in purchase book. So it will take less time and it will provide us some like information very quickly. Yes or no?
yes,
So this is our uh, subsidiary book. So total division, you can see the definition. When transactions are not recorded in one book, that is journal, separate book is maintained for each type of transaction. It is called subsidiary book. Okay. And types of subsidiary book, you can see here, total 8 I have written. You don't have to study these two. These are not included in the syllabus. Only 6 you have to study. Please write all of these.
only six, right? Or all of them?
No, you have to write all of these, but we will study only 6.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the first heading is cash. Okay. So Now, it is subdivision of journal. You have to remember one thing, that in ledger, every transaction is recorded at two places. If you remember, uh, let's say this is a transaction, like purchase account debit to cash. Purchase account debit to cash. This is the transaction. So this is one entry in journal.
Yes.
So we can say that one transaction is recorded at one place.
Yes.
But when we record in ledger, then it will go in purchase book. It will go in cash book. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So we can say that one transaction is recorded at two places. Yes.
Yes.
So now, can you tell me that this subsidiary book, it is part of journal or ledger?
Sir, I think it's both.
No, it is subdivision of journal. Okay,
Okay.
special purpose book, it is division of journal. So it is part of journal. That's why all the transaction, like any one transaction will be recorded at only one place. It will not be recorded at two places. That's the restriction here. Okay, like ledger, we cannot record this purchase account debit to cash in purchase account and cash account both. If it is a cash transaction, if it is a cash transaction, anything that is in cash, either it is purchase, sale, it is expenses paid, income received, anything in cash, all the cash transaction will be recorded in cash book only. Nothing else, like no other book. Cash transaction will be recorded in cash book. Now, I told you that if it is cash purchase, then also it will be recorded in cash book. If it is cash sale, then also it will be recorded in cash book. Okay. Now, the question is, if both of these will go in cash book, then what will be recorded in purchase book?
Yes.
What
Yes.
will
My
be
doubt.
recorded in sales book? Yes.
Yes.
So in purchase book, only credit purchase will be recorded. In sales book, only credit sales will be recorded. Why? Again, the rule is same. One transaction will be recorded at one place. So all the cash transaction is already recorded in cash book. That's why cash purchase will not be recorded in purchase book. Cash sales will not be recorded in sales book. Is that clear?
Sir, but then I have a doubt. You told this cash book is related to journal, so only one transaction can be recorded. So here, if you are recording cash book, I mean cash transactions, then why do we need purchase book again? Because we are recording already cash transactions or related
Credit
expenses.
purchase.
Yeah,
I
why?
told you that purchase book is created for credit purchase.
So but then, like, is it coming under cash book purchase?
No, purchase book is a different book. There is 8 category you have just written. Cash
Yes.
book, purchase book, sales book. So these are different books.
So
No
in cash
books
book,
are
you can
coming
only record
in
one transaction, and that is
what?
cash. In cash book, you can only record one transaction, and that is all made in cash.
All the transaction that is transacted in cash. Yes, we have to record only that in cash.
Okay. So purchase book means you only record credit transactions.
Credit purchase, not credit transaction, only credit purchase.
Okay. So can you give an
Like if
example?
in the question credit sales is given, then you will record it in sales book, not purchase book.
Okay. So
Okay.
basically, if it's credit purchase means purchase had to be on the credit side. Uh,
Credit purchase means transaction which is done on credit basis, in which no cash is paid.
And the purchase should come in the credit basis.
Credit basis?
Like in purchase book, like purchase account should be coming in credit side, right?
There is no credit debit side in purchase book. You will see that when we will prepare. Okay, first of all, the format you don't know yet,
So which format?
the purchase book.
So you're talking about ledger or journal?
No, I'm talking about subsidiary book. So have you seen the format of purchase book?
No, sir.
No. So how do you know there is a debit or credit side?
Oh yeah, that's correct. But then, sir, you told right only you can record it one side. I mean,
No, I'm not saying that one side. I have told you that one transaction will be recorded at one place or in one book.
so is there only one place?
So if you have recorded in cash book, so it is already recorded in cash book. So no need to record it elsewhere.
So so then, like, what do you mean by like for an example, like credit purchase?
Purchase goods from Mohan. That is credit transaction, or purchase goods on credit. That is also credit transaction.
Okay, so basically you're purchasing something and basically that's on credit. You haven't paid it yet.
Yes, if we have not paid money for it, it is credit. It is, we have discussed this so many times. What is cash transaction? What is credit transaction? So you have
Yes.
confusion in credit transaction identification.
No, sir, when you told credit purchase, I got confused.
What is confusion here? Credit purchase means like we have not paid the money. So what is confusion here?
Sir, yeah, I now I understood like credit purchase means like you're purchasing something and that's on credit.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So every transaction, if it is recorded in one book, it will not be recorded in any other book. That is how it will be recorded. So
Okay.
cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. So all these purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return, all these will be prepared for only recording credit sale purchase or credit purchase return, sales return, not cash.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then the last one, proper journal. What is proper journal? So any transaction which will not be recorded in any of the above categories will be recorded in proper journal.
Okay.
Okay, so like we are recording cash purchase of goods in cash book and credit purchase of goods in purchase book. But what about assets? If we purchase assets on cash basis, it will go in cash book. But if we purchase assets on credit basis, it will go in proper journal.
Not in purchase book because you're purchasing on credit, right?
We are purchasing it on credit, but it is not goods. The whenever we like transact in goods, then only it can be said purchase or sales. Purchase or sale is replaced with goods. Yes, if you remember.
Yes.
So if we purchase furniture, we never write like purchase account debit to cash. If we purchase furniture, we write furniture account debit to cash.
Yeah. So only in purchase book you can only record purchase goods on credit.
Yes,
Okay. So what about sales book then?
only sale of goods.
It doesn't matter if it's on credit or not.
No. It is again. It is credit sale.
Okay. So purchase is credit purchase and sale is credit sale.
Yes,
Okay.
purchase book, credit purchase of goods. Sales means credit purchase of credit sales of goods.
Okay.
And
So
whenever we purchase or sell assets on credit basis, then it will be recorded in proper journal.
for proper journal doesn't matter like it's on credit basis.
Yes, it matter because if you are like doing transaction, if you're purchasing assets in cash, again
Okay.
it will go in cash book.
Oh yeah, yes, yes.
So it will not go in proper journal. That's the only definition you have to remember, that if anything is coming in one book, it will not go in any other book.
So like, what if it's like purchased assets and paid by check?
That is also cash transaction.
Okay.
Cash means not cash. Cash means cash or through bank. It is same thing. We just
Yeah.
replace cash or bank, but it is cash transaction.
So in a proper journal, only assets can be there or anything else.
There are many transactions that will be recorded. We will discuss it later.
Okay.
So now the cash book. You can see here cash book is a subsidiary book as well as a principal book. Now this is a problem where students get confused when I say that cash book is a subsidiary book as well as a principal book also. So ledger is called principal book. So how cash book is subsidiary book as well as principal book. So if you see the format of cash book, you'll understand. Date, particular, voucher number, LF, amount, date, particular, voucher number, LF. So there is only two column that is not same as the ledger, voucher number and LF, voucher number and LF. Every transaction that is recorded in cash book in the same manner as it is recorded in cash account.
Cash
Okay.
account.
Yes, cash account, ledger.
Okay.
Okay, so in the ledger, if you remember, all the transactions are recorded in the same manner. If you like purchase anything for cash, purchase account debit to cash, so it is recorded on the credit side of cash account. So same will happen here also. It will be recorded in credit side of cash book.
Okay.
So that's why it is also called principal book. It is part of journals, subdivision of journals. That's why it is subsidiary book, but it is same as the cash account in ledger. That's why it is called principal book also.
So, but then same means only you're referring that only two columns are different. That's why you're telling it the same.
No, no, the transaction that is recorded in debit side or credit side, it is recorded in the same way that we are recording in cash book.
Oh, okay.
So
That's
cash
why it's a
account and
principal
cash.
book.
Yes, so that is why it is called principal book. So
Okay.
whenever we prepare cash book, we don't have to prepare cash account in ledger.
Yes.
Okay, if we are doing subdivision and we are preparing cash book in journal, then we don't have to prepare cash account in ledger, because cash book is like, it is used as a replacement of cash account.
Mm. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is our definition of cash book. Please write this.
Yes, sir. I finished.
Okay, this is the format. Please write this also. Then I will explain the question. So after completion of all these chapters, uh, we will conduct a test. Generally, we conduct a test before any examination that is going to happen in your school, so that you can prepare for the examination. Okay, so we can check, is there any problem with any topic you have. So we will like conduct a test for all the chapters that is coming into the examination.
Okay, okay.
So
So today
please
also I
give
have one test, that journal and ledger you told.
yes, that is a weekly test actually. All the chapter wise test is done. So whenever there is an examination, we like conduct a revision test. Okay, so all the
Oh,
chapters of that examination will come in that test.
oh, okay, okay. So, but it's not now, right? After
No, not
this chapter.
yes, after completion of this.
Okay. So like, when is the last class?
When is the last class? I don't understand. Class will continue until we have completed the syllabus.
So no, because like, I have to go to India also. So then I told you, when I go to India, I can't attend classes.
Yes, yes, I know that. So you are saying that before you're going to India. So it is on 28th, 9th, I think.
Yeah, but then I think our last class, I think it's till on 24th, I think.
24th only.
Yeah, 24th.
And then it will resume in like September.
No, I'll be coming back on August 26th. Then I think maybe after that, I think I have to check with my mom.
Okay,
She told that last class is on 24th.
okay. So I think up to that point, I think we will be completing all the topics here.
Oh, okay.
So your test is in the September first week, I think.
No, sir, September end only will have.
Okay, September end. Okay, so there will be some time after, like you're
Oh,
coming back
yes.
also.
Yeah, because they didn't finish theory based on accounting in school. So then they have to finish it.
So we will be able to complete, I think, cash book before like 24th. After that, there will be some topic left, which we will cover into 3 days. Then we will resume our classes.
Okay, okay, so no problem. Yes, I finished.
Okay. So now, what is cash book? First of all, I already told you about like what is the meaning of cash book. So cash book is a book where we record only cash transactions. So cash book is a subsidiary book as well as a principal book. It is prepared to record all the cash transaction of a business. Now, how it will be recorded, that is important because we are not going to prepare journal in subsidiary book. So we have to directly prepare all the books without preparing journal. That is sometimes difficult for the student. That's why there are some rules that you have to follow, like all the cash receipt, all the cash, just one.
So is this chapter actually easy?
What do you think? Yes, you can see these are the features of cash book.
Oh, okay.
So it is subsidiary book as well as principal book. Okay,
Hmm.
means it has features of subsidiary book because it is part of subdivision, and it is also principal book because it is same as the cash account. Okay,
Yes.
the next is only cash transactions. Cash
Okay.
transactions are recorded in cash.
Okay.
The third is all cash receipt will be on the debit side. All cash receipt will be on the debit side. So you have to remember that only cash receipt I'm talking about. Okay, not bank receipt. Bank receipt, we have to prepare a separate book. I will discuss it later. But if you receive anything in like check form or directly in the bank account, then it will not be recorded here in this cash. Is that clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So all the cash receipt will be on the debit side. All the cash payment will be on the credit side, and it starts and ends with cash balance. So any amount that you receive, because cash account, cash book is a real account. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
cash is a real account. So as per real account rule, if you go by that, so debit what comes in, credit what
Understood.
goes out. Anything
Yes.
that is coming, it is on the debit side. Anything that is going out will be on the credit side. So if you receive cash, cash is coming, so it will be on the debit side. If
Yes.
cash is going, then it will be on the credit side. That's why all cash receipt will be on the debit side and all cash payment will be on the credit side. So if you start business with capital, it will be on the debit side because cash is coming into the business. If you are selling goods for cash, it will be on the debit side because cash is coming. If you're receiving money from your debtors, if you're receiving money as income, all these things will be on the debit side. And if you purchasing for cash, if you are paying your creditors, if you're paying expenses, all these items will be on the credit side because all cash payment will be on the credit side. Is that clear?
So, so cash receipt means that you're getting money.
You're receiving cash, yes.
Okay.
And cash payment means you're paying cash. For anything, you're just paying cash. That is important.
So a cash payment is different, right, than cash receipt.
Obviously, in cash receipt, you are receiving money. In cash
Cash payment.
payment,
Yeah.
you're paying cash.
Okay.
So uh, it starts and end with cash balance means like cash book. If you remember that uh, in cash book, some of the portion in cash account ledger also there was cash balance in the beginning.
Yes.
Okay, that cash balance, how it is written, can you tell me?
So first we'll do the totaling. I mean, greater side we'll write total on both sides.
I'm not talking about like I'm not talking about the closing balance. I'm talking about the opening balance,
Oh, opening balance.
the starting balance that is given in the question, like cash 5,000 in the beginning.
Yes, for that you'll write first for balance brought down.
Two balance BD,
To
you can say.
balance brought down, and then you'll write the amount.
Yes. So that is how it starts and end with cash balance. So whenever you prepare cash book, if your business is not started in the current year, then there will be an opening balance. Okay. And at the end, you have to calculate a closing balance of cash. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is our cash. Tell me if you have any confusion.
No, sir.
Please write this.
Yes, sir, I finished.
Okay, so I'm taking one example. Like there are three type of cash book, three type of cash book that we prepare.
Okay.
So one is called single column cash.
Okay.
The second is called double column cash.
Okay.
And the third one is petty cash.
Oh, okay.
Now, single column cash book, only cash column will be there. In double column cash book, we have different options. Either it will be cash and bank column,
Okay.
cash and discount column,
Okay.
and the third is bank and discount column. Sometimes we combine all these three, and that is called triple column cash.
Oh, okay.
Means cash, bank, and discount. All three. Okay. So what does it mean by yes?
All this comes under double column cash book.
Yes, all these comes under double column cash book. But if you combine these three, then it will become triple column cash book.
So can you call double column cash book as triple column cash book?
No, double column cash book and triple column cash book are different. Double column cash book, single column cash book, and triple column cash book. Generally, there is no portion of triple column cash book, but if we combine all these three, then it will be called triple column cash book. It is not part of double column cash book. It is a separate.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now this is, I have prepared single column cash book. The format you have written, that is also single column cash book. Now, what does it mean by single column? There is only one amount column,
Oh, okay.
which is for cash. Cash.
But then here you wrote two amount column.
Where two amount column? It is date. Particular. Then again date particular. So this amount column one. So one on the both side. One on the debit side, one on the credit side. Yes?
Oh, you were telling only one on the debit and one on the credit.
Yes, that's why it is single column cash.
Oh, not like only there will be one amount column for both debit and credit.
No, one on the each side.
Okay.
Now, if I separate this, like if I create like this, two amount column on both sides, one for cash, one for bank, one for cash, and one for bank, means two amount column on each side. Then it will be called double column cash.
So if there's
Okay.
like two amount in debit and
Debit side, two amount in the credit side, then it is double.
then it's called double column cash book.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, that two amount can be like two amount column can be for different thing. Like I have written cash and bank, but there are three options we have, I told you. Cash and discount can also be there. Cash, discount, cash, discount. And bank and discount can also be there. So bank, discount, bank, discount.
Okay. So usually in single column cash book, like do we have to make like two columns in one amount in the debit side and credit side?
In single column cash book, we have to create only one amount.
So no need of
Okay.
cash and bank.
Only for cash on the debit side and the credit side. So there will be one amount column on each side. one amount column on the debit side, one amount column on the credit side for single column cash.
Okay.
Okay. And when we increase the amount column to two, one,
Cash and then bank.
two column on the debit side, two column on the credit side, then it will be called double column cash.
Okay. So in single column, there's no two columns in debit and credit.
No.
Okay.
So tell me if you have any doubt.